everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm in Chandigarh and I'm filming after it feels like a month that I have filmed. And yeah, so right now a little update about my pregnancy. I'm 9 months, I have entered 9 months. To be precise, I am in my 35th week, so yeah, less than 4 weeks to go. Yep. Anyways, so today I will be unboxing जुलाई फैब बैग. सो वो अनबॉक्स करूँगी मैं. बहुत टाइम से मुझे वीडियोस बनाने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा था, टाइम नहीं लग रहा था. इवन कि जो मेरी प्री रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस हैं उन्हें एडिट करने का टाइम नहीं लग रहा था. तो काफ़ी वीडियोस अभी भी पेंडिंग हैं जो कि मैंने एडिट नहीं किया है, बट डेफिनेटली दिस विल बी going live before them. Let's just unbox the fabric of July this time. So let's just open it. Alright, so this is how the bag looks like, and I can see one product which is outside the box or outside the bag, which is this one. Yeah, so that's that. So pehle let's see what I have outside. So this is basically a facial kit by Organic Harvest. I am using Organic Harvest products lately and I'm in love with them, so definitely I'm gonna try this as well. You have every step in the pouch, and I think you can use this pouch like twice, I think. So yeah, but you have step 1 cleansing, step 2 face scrub, then you have massage cream, step 3, then mask, then we have serum, and in the end we also have sunscreen. Normally usually जो facial kits होती है, they don't include sunscreen. I'm very happy to see that they have included sunscreen as well in between. So this says this is not for individual sale, so definitely this is like a pack. This is specially curated for the box or for the bag, or you know, it is a smaller part of some bigger pack. So yeah, that's what they have sent us. Organic Harvest facial kit. That's the first thing I got in this bag. So let's just open the bag now, but first let's see how the bag looks like. This is how the bag looks like. It's grey black in color. It has some charcoal colors as well, and lots of different shades of grey basically. And it has a zipper over here, and it's written that bag over here. So let's just open it. Alright, first I'll be taking out all the info cards so that I can tell you the prices. I also have one renewal coupon for 10% off for this bag, so that's that. Then I have a discount coupon for a Swiss Temple brand, so that's the discount coupon valid till 30th November. And then I have the info cards which are here, in which all the product details are given. So the Organic Harvest Diamond Shine facial kit retails for $295, and this is like a full size product. So that's that. So let's move on to other products I have in this bag. So next I see okay, so this is Illuminating Cream by the brand called Tawak, and this is basically for highlighting. This says this is highlight for radiant skin finish. You can use it under your base, under your foundation, or you can just use it as it is on your face or your body. It's more of like जो उस तरह के body shimmers होते हैं, उस तरह की चीज़ लग रही है मुझे. The amount of product I'm getting is 30 grams of product, and this Tawak Bamboo Sap Illuminating Cream retails for 310 rupees for 30 grams. So let's just check it out how it looks on the skin. So definitely it's very illuminating. It gets absorbed to your skin very nicely and very quickly, and it smells divine. And definitely I'm gonna use this a lot to get the glow out of it, especially under my base for the foundation, and also I can use it as it is as well. So definitely looking forward to try this. Alright, moving on to the next thing, I see a foot cream. Recently my feet are getting really cracked, so definitely it will come handy, because एक तो बारिशों का मौसम है, तो थोड़ा सा मेरे को पैरों की केयर करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है. Moreover, I am not able to give time to myself. I have lots of things to do. So yeah, so definitely this will be really handy. So this is by Aroma Magic foot cream. It softens and protects. The amount of product I'm getting is 20 grams of product. Blossom Culture Aroma Magic foot cream retails for 72 rupees. So moving on to next product, I see, okay, so this is like a 3-in-1 product. This is Swiss Temple Total Cleanup. It is a face wash, a scrub, and a mask. and तीनों एक साथ ही हैं ये, and for it has like 12 skin benefits what it claims. It has purifying clay and wild rose with natural extracts, and it's paraben free, and this is a product of Switzerland, and the amount of product I'm getting is 50 ml, and this one retails for 110 rupees, which is quite affordable if it covers all the three things. So that's nice. Definitely gonna try this up. And also this is like a full size product. That's that. I think I'm just left with one last product, and which is this one, and this is a lipstick set by Seduction. They have given the lipstick set by Seduction before as well, so this time, and the quality of these lipsticks were really good. I have मैंने अपने friends and family में ये बांटी थी lipsticks, and they liked it so much, and I'm so happy that I have this kit again so that I can gift more people, because these lipsticks are really really nice. So I have 10 shades, and let me just open just one shade and show it to you, because I really can't open every shade and show it to you, because I don't have energy left to do all these swatches and stuff. I will try to do a separate video or an Insta video, but right now in this video I won't be doing it. So let's just open and see. Oh, so this is like a bright maroon shade. Look how pretty it is. And these are matte, and they're very very long lasting. I really loved this lipstick last time, और अभी भी मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ये lipsticks वापस से मेरे पास हैं with more shades. So that's the maroon shade. I think I'm just gonna try one more, because these are tempting. One more shade, and I have number 15. So let's just check it out. Oh, this is like a bright red, like striking bright red. Again, a beautiful beautiful bright shade. Not bright red, it is more slightly like on the pinkier side. I'm just gonna open one last one. Okay, now this time I have number 2. So let's just see what shade it is. All right, it's a berry shade. This is all it looks like. It's a really nice berry shade, a dark berry shade. All right, so I'm not gonna open it more because it will take more time, and I have to run out for some errands. So yeah, I don't have time to do anything anyway. So these lipsticks are a Seduction Las Vegas lipsticks mini set of 10, and this is like a full size product, and this one retails for 499 Indian rupees. So you are getting a lot in this times bag. I am excited about almost everything: the facial kit, the body shimmer, the 3-in-1 face wash, like it has everything, and the foot cream. Everything is useful to me, so I'm super excited to try everything out. So definitely I loved this times bag. If you want to subscribe for this bag, I do have a discount coupon code which you will be seeing in the description box, so do check it out, get your discount and subscribe for this bag. Yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you again hopefully soon. I am trying my best to put videos in between, but as it's my last month like of pregnancy, thoda sa mushkil hai. I hope you understand, and I hope you will be patient, and I hope I come back with a bang after 2-3 months. And yeah, that's it for the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye, take care.